Morning. Today we are going to begin a new lesson from the book Vistas. The name of the lesson is The Enemy. It is written by Pearl Buck. Pearl Buck is also known by her Chinese name Cai Zhenju. She was an American writer and a novelist. She spent most of her life in China. Her novel The Good Earth was the best-selling fiction book in the United States in the year 1931, and she won the Pulitzer Prize for the same in 1932. She was the first American woman to win the Nobel Prize for Literature. The present story, The Enemy, is a beautiful story. It is an apt title for the story as it talks about the Second World War as the background that eventually culminates in dropping of atom bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki by America. Under these circumstances, an American sailor by no chance could be treated as a friend by the Japanese. The main character in the story is Dr. Sadao, and he plays a very important role in the entire story, and his ability to make decisions is truly commendable. The servants in Dr. Sadao's house vehemently protest against his presence and treat him as their sworn enemy, so much that they sever their long-standing relationship with the doctor and threaten him to call the police. For the masses that constitute majority of the population, all the world over, all individuals belonging to their country, their nation is at war with their enemies. Sadao considers Tom to be their enemy, but being educated, they have a broader and more generous view of life, and in spite of reservations, mental conflicts, and various other odds, they are confronted with that they are humans. And the doctor's professional ethics also urge him to treat the American sailor as a patient. Neither Dr. Sadao nor his wife Hannah at any stage considered him to be a friend in spite of the fact that they have spent a number of years in the United States. Hence, The Enemy is a befitting title for the story. The story highlights how a Japanese doctor saves the life of an American prisoner of war and rises above all narrow national prejudices. He goes on risking his honor, career, position, and life by sheltering a war prisoner of the enemy camp and later saving his life. The author has beautifully portrayed the conflict in the doctor's mind as a private individual and also as a citizen with a sense of national loyalty. The Enemy gives us the message that humanity transcends all man-made prejudices and barriers. Dr. Sadao upholds the ethics of medical profession in treating an enemy, and hence the story is a great lesson of peace, love, sympathy, and fellow feeling. The setting of the story is on a coastal town of Japan in the year 1941. Japanese were hostile to the Americans and were ready to kill any American found in their soil. The story is a story of triumphant compassion that rises above petty differences and incurable hatred. It revolves around a surgeon named Sadao Hoki, who was born in Japan. His first hero was his father, who toiled hard for his son's need and bright future. Young Sadao was sent to America to learn his craft. He was very happy to be given this opportunity and wanted to repay his father's trust by contributing to his nation's medical needs. He also found his wife Hannah in the foreign land. His father was extremely satisfied with his son's choice, as Hannah was a dutiful and understanding lady. She took care of her husband and also of the house. They were forced to return home due to the war. Hannah and Sadao were also blessed with 2 kids, and they built a house near the sea. The majority of doctors were required to return to the army, but Dr. Sadao was exempted on the general's special request. Dr. Sadao also was doing work on war injury and damage. Now there was an arrival of a strange guest. Dr. Sadao and Hannah's life changed completely on one day. They were sharing some memorable moments together, and their attention was diverted by a tumbling man who came out of the belly of the sea. However, before anybody could react, he fell into a heap. On further examination, Dr. Sadao learned that he was severely injured and wounded by a bullet. Much to their horror, he was a close enemy soldier. They were lost for words, as their help can be termed as high treason and the reaction of the society can be different. However, they were compelled by compassion and humanitarian instinct and decided to help the fellow nearing a painful death. They dragged him home and informed their servants about him and his health. The servants agreed to remain silent on the issue. However, they disapproved of their actions. They refused to help the enemy. Hannah was a very dutiful wife, and he had to do all the chores for the injured guest. Dr. Sadao successfully operated the soldier, and he was helped by Hannah. She also treated and nursed the soldier. Their extreme help made the soldier regain his senses. Later on, the servants tried to disclose the secret. They decided to disclose the secret about the enemy's presence. Their insistence did not crumble the doctor's resolve and never hand the enemy soldier to the police. Hence, the servants collectively left their job. One day the doctor went to the general, whose name was General Takima, as he needed some help. Finally, the doctor shared the information about the enemy soldier with the general. The general realized that his need for Dr. Sadao's skills and his dire health was of utmost importance. So, to keep Sadao out of harm, he assured him that he will send some killers to solve the problem. Dr. Sadao was helpless and he agreed to the plan, but he did not say anything about the plan to Hannah. After a couple of sleepless nights, he worried about it, but finally, none of the assassins came, and the man was getting better each day. Finally, Dr. Sadao planned an escape for the soldier. He answered the call of his conscience and plans the soldier's escape from the Japanese coast. He arranged for him a boat ride with all the essentials like clothes, food, etc. The boat would take him to an escape ship. The ship usually arrived from Korea and would take him out of the hostile territory and into international waters. Finally, the soldier could escape without any problem. Sadao narrated the story about the soldier's escape and left no evidence about it. The story talks about humanity and how this doctor couple helped the enemy soldier to escape and saved his life. It redefines the true enemy and how love always conquers hate, violence, and war. Please go through the PPT to understand the story better. Thank you.